Hey guys, my name is Millennium. I am a content creator who streams Zelda content over on Twitch, and I like to make how-to videos for virtual platforms. We are back with another Mix It Up tutorial. Today we are going to be creating a hug command. The hug command does have some special identifiers in it to make it to where you hug somebody. So what we are going to do is we're going to go over to the little hamburger at the top of the screen. I'm going to click on that. Then you are going to click on commands. And at this point, you would hit add new command. I already have a hug command, so we're going to go ahead and do the hug command that I already have. I'll show you how I created it, what it takes to do it, and what the special identifiers are. So the hug command is as follows. The identifier is hug. The chat trigger is hug. Auto set your exclamation point. I have this one set up for anybody to be able to do, so you don't have to take and make it to where it's only one person or so. You could add a timer to it if you wanted to have time in between, so your chat's not getting flooded with that. That's by clicking this little clock right up in the top corner. Standard cooldown, and then it gives you the time in seconds that you would like it to be cooled down for. You type that in there and then that would take care of it for you. But what you need to do is you need to come down to actions. You will go all the way back up to the top. You'll hit chat message, and then you would hit add. When you hit add, it's going to add the chat message in, and then it's pretty simple. Like I said, there are a couple identifiers in here that make it to where it's more personalized. So the first thing is it is going to be a $sign at username, hugged at $sign target username. So when you type in hug exclamation point hug at whoever, it will show up and say exclamation point, or it'll show up and say that in the test here, it'll say Millennium Akuma has hugged Millennium Akuma, and that is how it's done. So when you type in exclamation point hug at whoever you're hugging, it'll come up and say your name hugged so and so. Now I did add a different type of identifier in here. I added a random number percentage. So when you hit the test on mine, test command, it comes up and says Millennium Akuma hugged Millennium Akuma and feels 10% better. That percentage is randomly number generated. So that is going to be $, random number, and then 100%. So if you wanted it never to hit 100%, you would add it as a 90% or a 99% or a 96%, or even lower than that if you don't want it to ever go over a certain percentage and you'd like to troll your chat. That is how you would add that command. Once you hit save, you could go ahead and test it here again just to make sure that it works. It's going to come up, and this time you can see it came up, ooh, 2%. Dang. I don't hug very well, evidently, but it will continue to come up. If you want to say it as the streamer versus your bot that you have set up for Mix It Up, you would just change in there to said as streamer. Hopefully that was helpful, and anything else you guys need, let me know. Leave a like on the video, put a comment down if there's something that you'd like to see, and I'll see if I can get to it for you. Thank you.